Thank you for choosing Huawei with your recent purchase of Huawei Vision S. To further assist you with the delivery of Huawei Vision S, here is how you can avail of our services via the hotline. Plus, all wall mountings, repair, and installation services you may require. As soon as our delivery team is ready with your Huawei Vision S, they will contact you and confirm the details you shared with the Huawei store to ensure accuracy. And they will call you before the actual delivery of Huawei Vision S. Should you need assistance in wall mounting of your Huawei Vision, please contact our hotline for the schedule of your appointment. Here is the product warranty coverage, as well as the details of installation services you may require. We thank you for purchasing the Huawei Vision S.